Method. Welcome to my classroom. Come in. So first of all, let's wash our hands. In every class, we wash our hands a lot, just to make sure, and we wash the table, so come in. This is our classroom. Children are sat on mixed ability tables. Sometimes I work with this table quite a lot. Sometimes they sit with their friends. We're just getting to know them at the moment, and then tables might change depending on their abilities. Okay, come with me. This is where we do all our learning. I'm going to show you a couple of displays. In maths, we follow CPA, Concrete Pictorial Abstract. This is our maths board, so at the moment we're looking at place value and partitioning numbers into tens and ones. This is used all the time and is changed every week depending on what we're doing in class to help the children and consolidate what they know. Okay, all the resources we use are here. We use them all the time. At the back, as you can see, we have our phonics display. In year 2, we look back over phase 5, phonics, and then we also do phase 6. At the back, this is where I hear all the readers. We have all the reading books, we have phonics books, and we also have normal books. This is where the children put their book bags at the back, then they put their reading books on the side. Come this way and I'll show you. We have the best classroom in the school. We have 2 rooms, so up here is where we do our learning. Down here, come this way, is where we play. Our topics at the moment are polar bears. We've got some objects. At the moment we've just made some lanterns. Here are the toys that they might use. And they tidy up and they put it all back. If you turn around, we've also got other storybooks that they're allowed to read. We have our reflection area where sometimes if we need some calm time, we have a space where we can do that and reflect and have a think, do our breathing. This is our R-Read display where we think about the different Christian conceptions. This is where the children get the whiteboards for phonics and maths. So welcome to class 6. Now I'm going to talk to you about homework and what we expect. Okay, so in year 2, we expect children to be reading every day at home. We try and hear them read every day in school. You might see that your child might have a normal reading book or a chapter book, and we also provide them with a phonics book. These phonics books are to do with where they are or whether they need to go over a specific sound or unit sounds. Okay, what we would like you to do is, instead of reading the whole book, read a couple of pages of this one, ask some questions, and then read a couple of pages of the phonics book. Now the phonics book is not supposed to be read once. It's important that the children read it over and over again. So 3 to 4 times they'll keep the same book, they explore it. They read the words inside. They read a couple of pages. You might find some of those. You might talk about the book. And at the back, there are lots of games and questions. Okay? Now, when you've heard your children read, in the yellow reading record, there is going to be a sheet stuck to the front of it. I'm going to hold it here. And this is to help you at home. This is a reading comprehension prompt. Okay, there's lots of different questions and they have been split into 7 areas because there are more than 7 areas for reading comprehension. Okay, so my suggestion is when you're reading with your child, pick a couple of questions from different areas so they can understand the text they are reading and they have practice answering a range of questions. Some children find this a little bit difficult, especially the vocabulary questions, but there's lots of ideas there to help you because we do this in class as well. So we would appreciate if you would help your children with those. It will be stuck at the front of your reading record like this. Open it up when you hear your child read. If you would like to comment and tell us what you have answered or discussed, then that's absolutely fine, okay? Now, spellings. Mr. Williams and myself will give your child a booklet. Okay, the children need to practice the spellings every day, and on a Friday we will test them to see how well they've got, okay? So we will make sure that you have the booklet, okay? Now, in year 2, we give each child a red handwriting book, okay? Inside the book is the school handwriting script to help you, and myself and the year 2 team will write a sentence every day within the blue lines. And every day the child or your child will copy that sentence exactly how I've written it, okay? And we will do that every day. So we'll be checking when they give us their reading book, that the red book is also inside the reading record, okay? And this is to help them with their joins and their formations of letters, okay? So that will be given to your child. Every child will have one, okay? Now, maths. And this is a slight change. We have Doodle Math. So I'm just going to hold up the app, okay? Each child has a username and a password. If you have forgotten, don't worry. Please see me and I will print one out for you, okay? What will happen is that the year 2 team will book some work. They'll plan it in every week, okay? So one piece every week. Your child will log on and it will see that they've got a task to do and they need to complete the task before they move on. Now, this is slightly different to how we've run it before. It is not a competition anymore, okay? They still need to complete the task and do as many stars as they can, okay? But it's about bridging the gaps that they don't know and to consolidate what they already know, okay? So we will make sure that every child has a go at the activity. If you do not have the app or you're struggling with it, the year 2 team will have copies of the activity. Please just come and tell us and we will get those for you, okay? If there is an issue with Doodle Math, then please let us know and we will sort it out straight away, okay? But we will make sure that we make a task and it will be given every week. So you will need to complete it in the week and we will celebrate the achievements within the class, but it is not a competition, okay? Try and do it as much as you can, little and often, okay? I hope you have enjoyed the lovely classroom that your children have. They have settled in super well and you should be proud. Bye! Oops, sorry, one more thing. PE is on every Tuesday, so make sure your PE kit is in school, keep it in school, and then every other Thursday. So when it's not our PPA, we have PE on Thursday. Like today, when it was our PPA, we're not going to have PE tomorrow, okay? Just so you know. And just a little thing, an extra little thing. Please see me if you need anything. Drop me an email. Come and have a meeting with me after school. I am always here. Thank you. Bye.